The journal articles I will discuss both have information about what goes in the thought process of individuals with eating disorders. The first article discussed self-determination theory, and the second article is a study on self-esteem and body image. In the first journal article, The Application of Self-Determination Theory of Eating Disorders, Matsewitz and Martin explain that self-determination theory was developed by Deci and Ryan in 1985, and posts that humans have three specific innate psychological needs: autonomy, competence, and relatedness. Individuals with autonomy will decide to make healthier decisions and take a different path than being influenced by the media, which could be what they read or they see in pictures. Individuals who do not have autonomy may have unhealthier eating habits and be affected by the media, which will affect their self-esteem and can determine whether someone's self-esteem is high or low. Next, I will talk about competence. Competence is being able to manage the environment around you. This relates to the individual's goals in life and how they cannot let the pressures of another person or the media influence them to achieve their goals. Suppose someone is trying to lose weight. They will choose a healthy path if they are competent and have a healthy relationship with their body and food. If they do not, they may turn to anorexia or bulimia. Competence is being able to manage the environment around you. This relates to the individual's goals in life and how they cannot let the pressures of another person or the media influence them to achieve their goals. Suppose someone is trying to lose weight. They will choose a healthy path if they are competent and have a healthy relationship with their body and food. If they do not, they may turn to anorexia or bulimia. Relatedness is about having good relationships. People with an eating disorder may not feel like they have healthy or trusting relationships. They will feel like they are all alone and may even deny they have an eating disorder. The relationship issues may result in the person feeling pressure from someone that they need to be skinny. Individuals will have different influences and stimuli, which can be a challenge because of not knowing which they will choose or use. Now I will summarize the second article. In the second article, Self-Esteem and Body Image in Females, the mediating role of self-compassion and appearance contingent self-worth by Stapleton, Crichton, Carter, and Pittigan, discusses how and conducts a study to see if there is a relationship between self-esteem and body image avoidance behaviors. They define body dissatisfaction as dysfunctional, negative thoughts and feelings about one's weight and shape. Self-esteem is a global evaluation of one's self-worth related to body image. Appearance is also something that is also very important to females as well. Therefore, they included a self-reporting scale that asks about appearance. Some individuals with body image issues will avoid social outings with friends or family, wear baggy clothing, eat less, weigh themselves, inspect themselves in the mirror, and avoid physical intimacy. The study was with 222 females who took a 20 to 30-minute survey offered to everyone in the local community through social media sites and Facebook. The 5 self-reporting scales evaluated self-compassion, body image avoidance behaviors, self-esteem, ACSW or appearance contingent self-worth, and social desirability. The results of this study found that there is a relationship between self-esteem and body avoidance behaviors. In this study, they did find that there were indeed a correlation connection between self-esteem and body image avoidance behaviors. The results also found that females with more issues with appearance were more likely to have unreasonable and unattainable appearance standards and increase their likelihood of body shaming themselves. Eating disorders affect individuals in different ways. As future social workers, we must do what best meets our clients' needs and recognize what may affect someone with an eating disorder.